Hi everyone, we're going to Arayat with my cousins and with my sister.
Bago lumiko, sasabihin mo kaya.
Nauna ka.
Ha?
Ubo ako sa ano.
Buti, aminado ka. Mag-picture dito?
Grabe, ang laki na nila, Fern. Hello.
Ayan po yung ate.
Hi.
Hi kayo, hi!
Hi ate.
Hi!
Ayun po.
Nambabata
Ito po yung aming bunso.
Bakit?
Ayan, naliligo.
There's a cow here. You can see they're playing in the water. And we're here already in Balite, Arayat.
Ay, nagbablog pala, sorry.
Bilisan nyo!
And it's good here. I know, I've been here. It's second time already here. We're here in Kape Sinukuan.
Baka pupunta tayo dun sa taas.
True.
Hi guys, we're here in Kape Sinukuan in Arayat. Dumet ko doon. Struggle is real. Hindi na namin. Say hi. Hi.
Pwede ba dito?
Ayun o. It's so good here.
Girl, kasama ba nung nagbataan kami? Ganyan yung minotor namin.
So we register here and we pay for 50 pesos each.
Hindi kaya. Wala nga akong bariya.
Wala ba magatid sa amin doon sa taas? Oh, wala.
Alam mo tayo.
Nakaalaga. Kuya, pwede? Mag-amo?
Ayaw mo. Mula ka dito, gado sa taas. Ganyan lakad mo.
We're going to walk until there in the top.
Kuya, isang paa.
Oh, picture na. Kuya, pa picture kami.
Ate, hindi mo. Namasaktan. Ate, wow. Dapat pala nagbutor na lang ako. Hello? Girl, parang bataan talaga eksena dito.
It's so high.
Kaakyat.
Pagpapabago mo.
Bakit pati na tayo kumulong eh, girl? Yung pukay mo dito, ipit mo. Ewan ko na lang. Hi daw.
Uy,
Hello.
1, 2.
kaya pa ba?
Pwede pa na dito yung mga salita.
Let's do it. Let's do it. And do it. It's all around.
Sakit na ba? Sakit na ba? Sakit na.
It's so
lang, nung nakahang.
Hindi pa naman masakit.
Hindi. May bayad to. Girl, mamaya.
Picture kita dyan. Sa 2,040.
Ano yun?
Nabagbag talaga yung zero dyan kaya may space.
Try natin dito.
200.
Hindi, wala dyan, wala dyan. Wala dyan.
240 steps we need to do again.
240 steps, sisiyo.
Mas maganda dito para hindi po totoo yung 240 steps talaga.
Ah, natantos niyo ko. Sige, girl. Yung papel, girl, tsaka ball.
Dito tayo, mas mahirap.
Hindi kaya sa brain, baka makalimutan ko yung bilang.
Dito na lang.
Masarap po yung kape.
Ikaw kuya, doon ka.
2 MB kasi to eh.
Masarap po ba yung
Tara,
kape?
sisama sa akin dito. Sakto lang.
Okay, maghiwa-hiwala. Yung tatlo sa kabila, tatlo sa kabila.
Pagod ka na.
dito.
Ka pa. Huwag kaya mamaya uwi. Vloggers din na natin eh. May YouTube channel kayo ate?
Yes.
Pa-subscribe sana. Ay, mag-collab na sila ngayon.
Halati, collab daw kayo.
Collab. Again, we're gonna walk or step 240. Yes.
I'm tired.
Ang pangit mo maghakbang. Pero sa Super Mario.
Pam, alam mo, yung nakapagpapagod sa akin lalo, yung pagtawa kingin. Huwag ka. Pam.
Ay, nandun na si Janok.
Hindi tayo pwede, girl, sa ibang bansa. Girl, sa Singapore, yung may steps. Doon ba yun? Singapore ba yun?
Let's go.
Excuse me, guys.
I'm so tired. Hello, guys. I'm wet little bit, but it's not. Ay, I need to sit. Yes, we need to sit first. So tired. Let's go. Again, we're going the top again. Ay.
Ganyan rin, isa pa, kuhanan mo ako ng nakaganyan. Uy, ang ganda niyan, Pam. Kuhanan mo rin ako ng nakaganyan.
Okay na?
Marami.
Meron pa? They have mosquito here and then it's so
Kumalik dito sa ano ko, wifi, pwede siyang maging power.
pain. So hurt.
Yan ang ating accent.
Ganda niya ito, girl.
Tangin, nakala ko lang yung kumabot ko.
That's so hurt. Oh, we're here in the top already. Oh yes, it's so good. Yes. That's so good view here, guys. Take a look. Yes. As you can see, guys, it's so good here. You can see the view. So it's so good. And you can sit here.
Mela, nasa yung susi ha. Mela, yung susi nasa yun. Binigay ko kanina.
Imbis na nandun na tayo, nakapagkape na.
Hi guys! You can see the place here. It's so good.
Hindi, ano yan? Ano to, girl? Nag-ano yan? Tawag dyan?
And this part, you can see the rooster there. Nakuha mo din yung gusto ko, girl.
Hindi ko rasbihin yan. Pero nagagala.
Girl, tingnan mo yung...
We're going to cafe right now. And she's sleeping here.
Ang ganda dito, may mga tutubi.
Oo nga, ayun.
No.
Tutu bebe. Sana may tutubig din di sana. Tutubig.
Oh, tara.
Tutubig ba? Let's go. And we're going there in the top more.
Ang ganda ng ano nito.
Ayun no.
Dapat pala gabi tayo nag-live.
Maganda po ito sa pinunta natin sa Tarlac na.
Yan kaya. Balik kaya.
Dito.
Ay, punta tayo muna stereo ah.
Sa mataas yun. Sa may San Jose.
Mapali.
Hindi. Sobrang tarik.
yung
Sabi ko
ganda-ganda.
naman natin yung toner, bawal mainditan ng mukha, diba? Diba?
Okay lang naman. Ako nga nag-ano ako, direct camera.
So good here. It's so fresh but a little bit hot.
Matanda na.
And also you can take your car here or your motors. You can put in the top. So you can see you can stay here. They have always some seat or bench here. We can use also this shortcut also. And also the other also have. Ah, meron din pala dito eh.
Oo nga.
So we're going to the top there. I'm a little bit tired.
So we're here at the sanctuary. Sanctuary. Sanctuary.
At the sanctuary. Let's taste
Let's taste them.
statue.
Let's go. It's refreshing here. Need to go this part. I will show the bench here. You can see it in outside. It's so good. And they have also some taking pictures here. They have spot here, the sky spot here. It's good ambience here. You can see here. Yes. Order some coffee
Yung kick.
and this is a white mocha and this is Spanish. This is cake.
Sarap naman yan.
Hindi naman magagamit yan.
Picture natin. Kulang pa ng isa.
Oh, humingi ka ng serving spoon na. Mamahalin dito ba? Kasi nga na serving spoon.
Ito, blueberry cheesecake. It's
So, ayan po yung
worth of
napulot naming tao.
180 pesos.
Sinaunang tao. Yan po yung taong sinauna.
Same in Walking Street also.
Ako ang ikalawa.
What I see in Pepe, it's
So,
good
nagkanin
there
po
in
siya.
Walking Street.
Kanin ako hindi ko na kaya.
Magkano isa nito daw? 180 pesos, guys?
So guys, we're going home already. And this is so nice. And the coffee here, it's worth 170 to 180. It's still owns.
Naiiya sila.
And the cakes here, the blueberry cheesecake here, it's worth 180 pesos. And it's same in Walking Street. And their appetizer, breakfast here is worth. Yeah, we're going down already. And the appetizer here, the breakfast, the seafood here worth 300 pesos or 350 more.
Para ilakad, para ilakad.
Pakilakad.
Paano?
Ano na yan? Pang wedding, ano?
Nakala ko bagay hindi mo asawa.
Hindi, ano to? Manong to kasi. Kailangan ko kalalain.
Yuri! Yuri!
Pero maganda to.
Totoo yun.
Nakaswimming na din ako dun.
Huwag ka na magpakain ka. Lumabas na lang tayo.
Kita ba?
Hi everyone, I'm here already in my home, and right now I have allergy little bit, and it's from the grass, but it's okay. I will drink some medicine. And we've finished already been in Arayat. And thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.